Hello everyone, welcome back to another crypto cult video. In today's video, we will be talking about a project that is already listed on Binance, but there is an airdrop coming. It's a layer 2 project and the name of this project is Lisk, and this airdrop will just require $10 of investment, and I promise you it will be very quick. So do not miss this airdrop. This is one of the latest airdrop we have posted, and by the length of the video you can already see that this will not take you much time to complete. So let's hit the like button, subscribe if you're new here, join our Telegram channel for faster airdrop updates. Let's go to the screen and farm this airdrop. So as usual, we will be starting from the crypto cult thread, and this airdrop is ending soon, so that's why I'm making a video so soon after posting the thread. There is $15 million token reward confirmed and only $10 of investment is required. You can earn up to $500 used by farming this airdrop. But what is Lisk? So Lisk is a layer 2 blockchain focused on driving Web3 adoption in emerging markets while bridging back to Ethereum. So it's very similar to all the other layer 2s, but the main thing is that it offers one of the lowest transaction fees, and they have raised $5.8 million in funding. So how do you start this airdrop? So to start this airdrop, you need to visit portal.lisk.com. I'll post the links in the pinned comment like before. Then we need to connect our MetaMask wallet with it. You can connect any other wallet also. Once you connect, it will ask you to switch the network. Once you switch the network, Lisk will automatically be added to your MetaMask once you clear the permissions. Just approve adding Lisk and then you can switch to the Lisk network. After that, it will ask you to verify your profile with Guild. You can do this by signing in with MetaMask on Guild, then verifying your address. Then you can connect your Discord, you complete the CAPTCHA. If you have GitHub, you can connect that also. Once you complete all these steps, including connecting your Twitter account, you should be good to go. Now in the end, it will ask you to mint a Guild pin. It will cost very less. So if you want to mint it, you can mint it. I will show you once we bridge some Ethereum to Lisk. Once you have joined the guild, you can again click on the same link and it will ask you to enter a referral code. I'll leave that down below for you. You guys can also share your own referral codes down in the comments. Now, how do we bridge Ethereum to the Lisk network? So for that, we need to visit oku.trade and go to the bridge option. I'll provide the link below. Just click on the link. Then we need to connect our wallet and bridge some Ethereum from any network. Now, if we do this from Ethereum, it will cost us a lot of money in fees. So we will be using another layer 2 and bridging from that. So I have some Ethereum lying around in my Arbitrum wallet. So I'll just use that. As you can see, it's just $16. So as promised, we will be investing only $10. So just go here, select your network, then select Lisk, connect your wallet and click on bridge. Then it will ask you some permissions in the MetaMask. You can confirm that. And after around 3 to 4 minutes, the bridging will complete. It will be very fast because both are layer 2s. Once we have done that, then we need to go to the swap tab and do some swaps. But before that, let's go and mint that guild pin. So the Ethereum has arrived and now I can click on mint. It will cost me less than $1 and it might make me eligible for the airdrop. So I'll definitely mint it. Once that is done, let's go to the swap and complete some swaps. So we need to swap Ethereum to USDC and then after that we need to swap Ethereum to USDT. So let's first do USDT. If your Ethereum balance is not showing up, you can try refreshing also. So I have selected my Ethereum. So I'll just swap $4 because we need to complete it in under $10. So that's one swap confirmed. Then let's do USDC. I'll also do $4 here and let's confirm this swap. Now if we make regular swaps on OkuTrade, it can be going from USDT to Ethereum then back to USDT. We will earn some points. So on-chain transactions will give you points, and here you can also track your points and claim those points as you go along and complete the daily task. Here you can see you just need to hold any amount of these tokens to get some points. Just click on claim points since we have done all the tasks already, and there might be new tasks showing up. So keep completing that and you should be eligible for the airdrop. That was a very quick tutorial of the Lisk airdrop. This is one airdrop that is coming very soon. It's very close, so there is not much time left. It is very underfarmed. So if you want to farm this airdrop by investing a little bit of amount, I think $10 should be enough to make you eligible. Anyways, all the links will be in the pinned comment down below. You can also join our Telegram channel. Link will be in the description. Thank you for watching. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new here, and I'll see you in the next video.
इलेक्शन का टाइम है, सब सोच में गम है, बिटकॉइन का प्राइस अपनी हाई स्पीड में दम है, क्रिप्टो किंग्स वेरी अब नए वॉर रूम है, होने लगी हाइप सबके हाथ में रम है, बिटकॉइन का सॉन्ग है, आए बड़े जोश में, डॉलर कूदे मार इंगम में उसके जोश में, क्रिप्टो की युवा सब है खुशियों की जोश में, बुल रन चलेगा अब तो फुल स्पीड फोर्स में।